my backyard, and you know Toby, right? That little cute dog.
No.
He tried to eat this poor bird. He tried to eat it. It's just a baby bird, and he tried to eat it. But I saved him, and we're going to make a house. So, we're going to get the box. This place right here, this is going to where the bird's going to be.
Until we get a cage for it.
Until I get a cage for it or something. I might keep it. I like to
Okay.
keep it. So,
Okay, put him in here. Put him in here.
okay, so I just drop him in. Wait, I don't have a. She took my other.
Right there. Put him in.
Okay. Oh no, it's flying. It's flying. Oh, he's coming. So we're just patching it up.
See, he have where to get air. See?
Yeah. So he's in there still. The bird's in there somewhere. I know where he went. Probably I'm so mad at you.
Look at it. Look in there.
Okay. Where is he?
Look in here.
Okay. Yelling. Ow. Where is he? I don't see him anymore.
Put the camera inside.
Okay. The camera doesn't fit. My camera doesn't fit in there.
Didn't like that one covered the hole. Ah, look, he's right at the hole.
I'm trying this side actually.